Welcome to Coe College. Here's a quick tutorial on using Handshake, our online job portal. You will use this portal to look for work-study positions, internships, part-time jobs, and eventually a full-time job when you graduate. To get started, go to my.coe.edu and sign in with your username and password. First, click on Student. Next, click on the Handshake link towards the bottom of the screen on the left. And finally, click on the Handshake logo. Your login is your email without coe.edu at the end, and your password is the word Coe and your ID. For example, Charlie Cohawk's login is CC Cohawk, and his password is Coe1234567. Once you are signed in, confirm your area of study, year in school, and anticipated graduation date. You're able to customize your individual profile with your skills, interests, organizations, job experience, and more. For work-study consideration, you'll have to have a resume uploaded as well. A resume template is available under the Resources section of Handshake. To search for a work-study position, first click on the Job tab, then click on the On-Campus Employment link. You'll see available positions. You can click on the job title link and apply. It's as simple as that. Don't forget that you can look for part-time work and internships here too. Some departments require interviews, while others do not. The Office of Financial Aid will notify you of positions available during orientation week. They will only contact you about a position if you have your profile and resume uploaded and have applied by the date indicated on the email sent in June. If you miss the application deadline, you may be put on a wait list. Now that you've got a grip on Handshake and its features, take time to explore the website and don't forget to check frequently for new job openings.